We arrive in a place called the Ninh Binh. Sound of the beach. 4 caves and 2 temples.
Is that why we gotta play? So expensive and so cheap.
Backpack, like check-in.
I will send the photo to the Ninh.
Tell me if this one is normal. Just an observation. You're doing a really good job. Keep going.
It's impossible.
Impossible. Alright guys, do you remember we were in Wien? Now we are somewhere else. And the situation changed from like this to like this. We took the train and for like 5 hours and we arrived in a place called the Ninh Binh. The map in here somewhere. We are actually staying in one place that is like amazing. This is our bungalow. I'll show you something. One sec. So this is a different dependance all around. All this one is part of the property. All this kind of village is between these rocks in the middle of nowhere. There are no people, so quiet, so relaxing. And this is our room. It's really beautiful. We have some chairs in here where you can have a coffee in the morning, or our bed. Like nothing super fancy, but it's nice. And then we have here the bathroom. This is me. We have the view outside. Just hope that no one goes from that direction because otherwise you can see me. So let me put the shoes and I'll bring you a little bit around to this beautiful place. Hear the sound of the beach. Bless you. Can you hear the sound of peace? Got the duck over there. Important thing. She's so happy.
I'm going to see the pool.
Oh, we have a swimming pool as well? How is it?
It's different from the picture because they don't have a water in one place that they had in the picture. Because it was like kind of like a waterfall in the swimming pool, but waterfall is not functioning.
Ay, we should pay less.
We should pay less.
Okay, let's see this half swimming pool. So the waterfall is not working. For it was like a waterfall coming down from there. So what's your concern?
There's some open wires all over the place. I hope it's not electricity.
Hey, but I think they put electricity. No one died before.
Beautiful, no?
Yeah, not bad.
Okay.
How much we're paying?
$181, 2 nights.
Nice. Okie dokie, my friends. That's how you say in Italy? Okie dokie, my friend. I'm scared to get out. You know, like the feeling when you go to the steamer room, open the door, and this really heavy, hot, humid wall come to you, around you, and inside of you. Yes, this is actually my feeling when I'm gonna open this door. I'm not joking, there are like humidity is close to 100%. We are ready for this adventure. We don't know yet what we're gonna do today. We are in the middle of the nature, so it's full of caves, it's full of mountains, it's full of boat trip. Get lost a little bit, discover this place. Stay with us, ciao Maya.
Maya.
Marilyn. She's gonna be with us, I don't know for how long because she's really sensitive to the heat.
It says here that it's 36 degrees but feels like 45.
Okay, 36 degrees, feeling 45. 2 hours, I need to change my t-shirt, and the funny thing is I have just 5 t-shirts with me. You can see outside. It's okay, stay with us. Okay guys, we finally arrived close to the river to do the boat tour. We've been lucky because there was a lady that cancelled the ticket, so she sold the ticket, so we saved 100,000. There's like $6, so pretty good. There are like 4 routes, 1, 2 and 3, but they last like 3 hours. It's a little bit too much for us also because it's hot. So we're gonna do the 4th one. There's just like a 1.5 hour. I think it's enough for the experience. We're gonna see 4 caves and 2 temples. Then gonna be our guide and gonna pedal through the river in these beautiful places in Ninh Binh. So let's go. Okay, this is 1, 2 and 3. We missed the 4th. I don't know, I'm following you, babe.
Because it says go station.
Where are we going, babe?
No.
We got lost as to this. Okay, better. Okay, it's a bit a labyrinth in here, guys. We don't know where we need to go. Maybe we should ask someone because there are no signs. We're finally in. They told us to sit down because apparently we are the only one wanting to do the route number 4. We are waiting. We see if we in some point we're gonna jump in one of these boats. Good. Okay, we got it. It's pretty dancing. We have the pressure we're gonna flip in some point.
It's our boy, we gotta flip.
I just hope no water gonna come inside the boat because I have all my stuff. So let's go.
It's hard actually. You have to do, when you do with the gaonua, you have to do like this and this.
Ah! Jesus Christ. Don't work, right? Ah, look at the tiny one. Are they free like this? Cuckoo. Come, come. They want to see you as well. So it's been a really rough what happened exactly.
Yeah, we haven't had a mood to videotape anything.
Yeah.
We are in Halong now. We took the bus from Ninh Binh to Halong. Booked an Airbnb. It's a new building. It's a new hotel in here called a la carte. It was a new listing and I already knew a new listing. I don't know, but somebody has to be first. So like whatever. La, la. I booked this one. Everything looked good. Then the night before she messaged to ask for more money, which we were like, Airbnb, don't really do that. Like we said no, if you don't respect our previous offer, just cancel us. There was no reply and we already knew like,
man,
yeah,
this must be a scam, but we've been there anyway.
The hotel staff was supposed to check us in and they said there's no reservation for us, so we were left it on the street.
Yeah,
lovely.
It's
and,
a bank holiday.
And it's a public holiday and we were spending 2 hours trying to find another hotel to stay, and we find a hotel and then this hotel was so expensive and so shit. We arrived and they were like screaming at each other. We were just left waiting in the reception, like don't know what happened. After 10 minutes he finally asked like, can we check in? My guy who was behind the counter with like the legs on the table and he did not care.
Toothpicks in the mouth or watching the phone. Watching at me like lost in the face, like what do you want?
Yeah.
You see me like a backpack, like check in. I said, okay. He didn't speak any words, or he opened the door. The only words that come out from his mouth was $1,060 for a really shit
really shit room.
mattress. Was the worst mattress.
Glass
Was a
on
piece
the
of
window.
wood.
We were next to the road, so you can hear the honking all this time.
Hair in the pillow.
Yeah, but at the same time I was about to walk out, but he was like, no, we're gonna spend another 2 hours finding another place. So
If we
just for
find
one
something.
night. Next night we find an apartment just behind here.
Yeah.
A skyscraper. We did pay a lot of money for this one as well because it is public holiday. They double charge, but it is what it is. Be sure you don't get scammed. Anyways, if you come into Halong to do the cruise and you think like, oh, let's spend the day in Halong city, no, don't do it. We are here for 3 days and honestly there's not much to do, but today we're gonna go and see some museums and yesterday there was a thunderstorm which was like insane.
We're gonna go in a cruise, so next 2 days it's gonna rain. So now we're going to rent a scooter and we're gonna discover a little bit because we did nothing for today. I feel bored and I need to do something. But before, breakfast and rent a scooter. Let's go. And we have the scooter ready. And we made friends.
I will send the photo to the Ninh Binh.
Ah, to meme, okay. We just arrived in one of the beach of Halong Bay. It looks like everything beautiful and stuff, but there is something that is really disgusting. This is the situation of the beach. Piles and piles of rubbish everywhere. Plastic, rubbish under the tree. Look at this. Like, honestly guys, if one day we're gonna disappear from this planet, we deserve it. Look the amount of rubbish. Look, tell me if this one is normal. Everywhere you go there are like more and more and more. There are people like taking a picture on Instagram, you know, it's super cool in a cool beach. You're just like in the middle of the rubbish. It's a shame. It's completely a shame. How can you even like staying here? Look, and there you have the fancy hotel.
Have a beautiful swim in this garbage. Some flip-flops there as well if you need some pair of.
The most annoying thing, guys, is just over there you go like the limestone coming out from the water is like one of the most beautiful places about Vietnam. Talk about the smell that comes from this beach. Enjoy the world, guys. We don't have much time left. This is the museum office where you buy the ticket called Quan Ninh, Bao Tang Quan Ninh.
They probably took them out from the water, they murdered them and they put it here.
So tired of the games. It's not real, it's just pretend. Honey, all your lies just taste so sweet. Concrete jungle
just an observation. They could make like a better faces in this one, especially this one.
More than gold. We don't fit in here 'cause we're too broke. Thank God I found you there in the smoke. All I wanted was a little affection. They only care for their own reflection. I tried to blend in, but I can't fake it. I don't wanna be someone else. Honey, honey, all the lies you say so sweet. Honestly, don't believe.
Man, how works are doing? You're doing a really good job. Keep going.
It's not real, it's just pretend. Honey, all the lies you say so sweet.
It's funny because all these people here, they're like following us for like 5 minutes. Hello. The first blonde person and they're really curious of us. We finished our tour in this museum. $2. It's pretty worth it. We are starving, so we're gonna go to find some food. Finger crossed. So now guys, we are still in Vietnam,
Still how long?
but I'll show you something a bit creepy and interesting at the same time.
I feel like we are in the Yes Theory episode when they went to fake France in China, that it looks like France, it
But it's
looks
not
like
France.
Paris, but it's not Paris. I feel like we are in like a Europe in France somewhere with a building like this, and there's like a lot of them, maybe a couple of apartments who have been rented out.
Man, it's so weird. Impossible. Welcome in Paris. What is this? In the middle of buildings.